So students, this is my computer screen and today we are going to learn a new topic in Scratch which is repeating actions. So for that first we have to start our Scratch program. Okay, so for that I have already shortcut of Scratch 2 on my desktop. So I just double click on this shortcut and it will open. Just double click means press left mouse button 2 times at a time. Okay, so now let's click on it. So now this is Scratch 2 offline editor and let's maximize it using maximize button. This is maximize button, click on it. Now this is our Scratch 2 offline editor main screen. This is script area. Now click on the control block. And today we are going to learn new topic repeating action which is available in control block. Okay, this is repeat action command, or we can say that block. To take this repeat instruction helps in controlling the execution of the program. This block repeats our actions at particular of times as much as needed. You will get various blocks to repeat the actions in the control block category. To take it, just click and drag it to the script area. Okay, just click and drag. It is very easy to take a block in Scratch. Okay, so this is our repeat block. Now whatever actions we are going to repeat, that block we have to add in this repeat block, in between this repeat block, and repeat. Then after we can see that here 10 number is given. It means it will repeat all the blocks 10 times. Now in your textbook steps are given, in that change value from 10 to 15. So just click on that and type 1 5 15 from the keyboard. Now this block will repeat our actions 15 times. Okay, now next step is drag the turn right degree block and move 10 steps block from the motion block palette. So click on motion block palette. Yes, here is motion. Now take turn right 15 degrees block. Just click on it and drag it to the repeat. Okay, go to the repeat block and release your mouse click. Now release it. You can see our block is inside in the repeat block. Okay, now let's take next block which is move 10 steps. Okay, so just click on it and drag it to the and place it below to the turn left degrees. Okay, when white line is came, you can release your mouse click. It will fit inside the repeat block. Okay, now next step is change the value in the both block by 30. So just click on the values and click on this. It will selected. Now type 3030 from keyboard. Okay, now move 10 step is also changed to 30. So click on this and type 3030 from keyboard. Okay, now next step is place them inside the repeat block. Already is placed inside the repeat block. Now select the pen block menu. So it is pen block. Click on this and select stamp block. So just click on it and drag it to repeat block and paste below move steps block. Okay, so we have now 3 blocks inside the repeat command. Now click on any block to run the repeat block. So let's see the change how repeat command works. It will repeat our 3 blocks 15 times. How many times? 15 times. First 10 30 degree turn, then after move 30 steps, and then after stamp block takes every time new sprite. Okay, here cat is our sprite, so every time it will take new sprite. So 15 sprites will come after when we execute this repeat block. Okay, so let's click on this repeat block anywhere on the whole block when you execute these all commands. Let's click on this repeat block. Yes, now see the change on the stage. These 3 blocks repeated 15 times. First turn left, turn right 30 degrees, then after move 30 steps, then after stamp. So every time it will take new stamp because we give stamp block in repeat command, that's why. Okay, so first sprite is here, then after it will take 30 degree turn, then after it will move 30 steps and again new sprite. Okay, Then second sprite came, again second sprite turn 30 degrees, move 30 steps and again take new sprite. Then third sprite will come and again it is turn 30-degree, move 30 steps and again new sprite, because stamp block is there in repeat commands. So that's why it repeat our all three blocks 15 times and shows the action on the stage. So this is the use of repeat command. Okay, now let's take know more about control block. Okay, in control block we are going to study two new blocks. So click on control block and this is new block is forever block. We are going to learn this forever block. Just click and drag it to the script area and release your mouse click. Okay, now let's delete this repeat command. Right click on repeat block and select delete. Now this is forever block. Forever block held inside the forever block will be in a loop that never ends. Loop means the commands that we are going to put inside the forever block, they are endless. Means execution will not stop until we clicked on the stop button. Let's take new sprite. Okay, click new sprite button and let's take a doll sprite. So click on this doll and click on OK button. You can see doll sprite is on the stage. Okay, now let's take forever block from the control block and let's go to motion block and take one move 10 steps block and one turn right 15 degrees block. Okay, so this forever block we are is this script we are added to our doll sprite. Okay, so when we click on forever block, it will execute these two blocks continuously. It will not stop. You can see when I clicked on forever block, it will execute move 10 step and turn 15 degrees block continuously. Execution is going on. It is never stop until when we click on the stop button. Stop button is where? Stop button is this red button is called stop button. So when we click on this stop button, then and only then it will stop. You can see when I click on stop button, it will stop its execution. So this is forever block. When we click on this, so as its name, it will loop continuously and never stop. And when we click on the red stop button, then and only then it will stop its execution. Okay, so this is forever block. Now our next block, this is used when we create full screen our program. Okay, so at that time it will use these two buttons, green flag and red stop button. Now our next block of this control block is when green flag clicked. Okay, so let's delete the forever block and one more events. In events block, one more block is there when green flag clicked. Green flag is available beside the red stop button. Okay, so when we click on this green flag, execution is going on. Okay, so this is the when green flag clicked block, and let's take some commands to execute this block. Move 10 steps and in looks motion block, take another turn left 15 degrees. So it will move 10 step and turn 15 degrees. When we click on green flag, it will take 15 degrees turn and move 10 steps. It will helpful when we are going when we will full screen our project. So this is our full screen stage. At that time we want to do execution. When we click on this green flag, it execute these both commands and sprite will move as per our commands. Okay, so this block is used when we are execute our program full screen. Okay, so these are the two blocks of control block. Okay, so let's close it. Don't save because I don't want to save my project. So this is our repeating action topic. In next class we will go further in this chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.